Okay, here's the Halo 2 ODST helmet from Pepakura. I am a beginner, so I decided to use this one. It is oversized for a lot of people, but since I have a big head, it actually works nicely. But it's great for beginners and stuff. After that, I moved on to the Halo 3 ODST. Now, it didn't look like the one from the game ODST. It looked like the helmet you can get in multiplayer. But as you can see, it was pretty detailed. But yeah, I got through it. A lot of minor sunken in problems. Like right there, it's a little sunken in. Probably fixed with some cardboard when I resin it later on, which will be another video. This video is just the Pepakura stage. Of course, going online and looking for all this Pepakura stuff was actually kind of difficult. Had to watch like 8 videos just to know which one, or know how to use Pepakura at all. And actually after that, for the most part, I had to figure it all out myself anyway. Just for a visual, this is the Halo 2 ODST, the Joyride Studios action figure, and as you can see, the helmet is pretty much the same. But that's the one I like, so it's cool. This is the Pepakura program. There's another video online that is a little better at explaining, but I'm just going to go through the basics. First, we're going to go up here to File, Open. Of course, you would have downloaded your own Pepakura 3D models. The Halo Costume Wiki is the best as far as easy to get to. We'll look at the second ODST. That'd be this one. That helmet that I made. Click Open. And it comes up. Pretty simple. It's already there. It's already unfolded because I only have the viewer. I didn't do the designer one. I'll do that later because of course I have to scale it. Now to zoom in and out, use the mouse roller button. To view the different sides of the helmet, you go ahead and left click and move the mouse around, and it moves to any side you want. It's a bit of a tip, makes this thing really easy, is knowing where the pieces are. Of course, when you print this out, it's pretty difficult to just figure it out yourself. Of course, I use cardstock like mostly pretty much everybody uses. A little bit harder to fold, but it's what you need. First, you want to click Show Edge ID, which is actually this nice little button, 1, 2, 3 with little pages. And if you go here, all these pieces will actually show the numbers that you connect them to. Let's say you're starting out. I actually started on the earpiece here on this side, just because it actually looked pretty basic. All of these shapes look pretty basic. So if you want to know what face connects to, let's say this face, you left click on it so it's highlighted by itself. Looking over to the 2D side, you'll see that it's actually highlighted in red. From there, if you want to know what the connecting face is, you highlight the side and it shows that little arrow and what page to go to. And as you can see right here is the face that attaches to that face on the bottom there. All the numbers are there, of course, but you'll see pieces like this that are very difficult. Wait, let me find it. There it is. You cannot see any of the numbers, and that little red line is very helpful. The hardest part for this helmet actually was this front part. I don't know if you guys will do this exact helmet, but this part was pretty killer. And for some reason, I decided to do it last. Not a good idea. Anyway, file print, really simple. It's just file and print. That's it. Print and OK. All pages is of course 19 pages. Another hint or a tip would be showing the page numbers. Show a page number. Click on that. then it kind of just shows you the page number for when you click on that side and you need to look for it. Where is it? Right there. Actually says page 15, so you know to look on page 15. After that, print it out, cut it. There are some, like you see these razor edges here, those are just tabs that you glue to another face. Some of them you'll need to cut a little shorter because, of course, places like this, the faces are actually very small, and you'll need to cut the tabs in order to glue them properly. Other than that, that's it. Again, I recommend using the Halo 2 ODST helmet just for practice if you are unsure or it is your first time, or if you just have a big head like I do. So yeah, that's about it. If you look up Pepakura tutorials, there are other ones. I'm just showing the step before I resin it, because that is what I'm doing next. And that's it.